Hello everyone, this is Rajiv Kohli and welcome back to our channel The Teacher, and in this tutorial we will learn how and when to use center across selection command in Microsoft Excel and how this command is different from merge and center but work like the same. So let's get started, and here I have a worksheet where I have typed three types of headings here. Like we have these three columns A, B and C which contain this data, and we have the similar data in these next three columns, and then we have the same data in this single column. In the first cell, then you can also see the reference here in the name box. Then you can see that this merge and center button is already pressed. So that means these A, B and C column has been merged together and has been converted into a single cell. So that is what merge and center is used for. If you want to type a heading, like let's say if I want to type a heading in the center of these three cells, then you can't say that this is the center of these three cells. So you can either type in the first cell, like you can drag and drop to move the content. That completely doesn't make any sense because it is on the left now, and that will make it to the right. So that is when we use merge and center to convert more than one cells into a single cell. Like I can now convert these three cells into a single cell, and the content will also get into the center. You can see that this center alignment button has automatically been pressed after I use the merge and center command. So same way I can type a subheading here, store 1, and then I can type three different headings in the bottom cells. So how the center across selection command is different from merge and center, and when you should use center across selection instead of merge and center. So that is basically used when you also need to sort the same list where the merged and unmerged cell contains together. If you select these cells here from the column D, E and F, and now let's say if I want to sort this list, and I go to custom sort, and here I choose sort the list according to column D, but if I choose my data has header, then you can see that it has started showing the headings here, and the center cross selection has become a heading, and then we have column E and F. So that doesn't make any sense here. So if I select the list like here and go to sort and then custom sort, then I can choose item. My data has header is already checked, and if now I click OK, the list has been sorted, and these three headings are right there as they were before. They doesn't move with the list. So let's say if your selection contain the merged cells and the unmerged cells like these. So if I select this list and go to sort and custom sort, so here I will first uncheck this option because that doesn't make any sense. So I will uncheck this, and here I will choose sort by column A because I want to sort the list according to the item names. So if I hit the OK key, then this message can appear. So if you want to use the sort command, not only the sort, many other commands also may affect if your selection contain merge and unmerged cells together. So that is when the center cross selection commands helps you. And if you click this alignment button here, alignment setting button here, then you can find this command under the text alignment and under only the horizontal alignment, because this center across selection command only applies to the horizontal text alignment, not vertical. So how it is used, I will show you an example here. So here I write center across selection. So now I select these three cells and go to alignment settings, and here from the horizontal drop down button I choose center across selection and hit the OK key. The borders of these three cells are now gone, just like merge and center. Now these three cells look exactly like merge and center. So if I apply a border here, like let's say outside border, and also an outside border to these three cells, you can still see the difference here. Like if I click here, then you can see it has selected a single cell only. However, these three cells look exactly like this single cell, but when I click here, then it only selects a single cell here. Only the text alignment is center across selection, not the cells. So these are still three different cells here. But if I apply a border here also and show you the preview, then both of these headings will look exactly identical. So now I can do the same at bottom, like I can type store 1 here and select these three cells, and now I go to alignment and choose center across selection. So, and now I can type three different headings here, and we can also apply all borders here. And if I show you the preview, the center across selection will look similar to merge and center when you see the print preview. So the center across selection commands is like merging the cells without actually merging them. It works similarly like the same, but the cells remain different. Like you can see, if I click here, you can see the reference here D8, and then we have E8, and then we have F8. So let's say if you want to type a heading here, so I can go to alignment setting and choose center across selection, and now if I type here heading 1, then you can see that it automatically started typing in the center of all these cells. However, I was in the A12 cell. If I press the escape key to cancel, then you can see that the current cell reference is A12, but when I start typing, then it automatically centers the text. So you can't use center across selection command vertically. If I select these three cells vertically and go to alignment settings, and here I want to center across selection but vertically, then you will see that this command is not available in vertical section, because this only applies to the horizontal text alignment. So I hope you might have got my point and have learned something new. Let me know by liking, sharing and commenting on this video, and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye and have a nice day.